Hey, dude, where are we?
San Antonio, Texas, off of Pleasanton Road, enjoying some roadside barbecue.
We're off of Pleasanton Road and Loop 1604. And these folks have some of the best burgers and ribs around. And right on the other side of this truck, a gentleman has some of the best prices in fruit that we've come across so far for fresh fruit. But as you can see, place is packed, food's good, and some cool looking buildings right across the way. Also, if you're looking for trees and the occasional odd rooster, stop on by on Pleasanton Road and Loop 1604 here in San Antonio, Texas, aka Bexar County, to get yourself some fresh barbecue, corn on the cob, fresh fruit, whatever, even raspas. If you're not familiar with what that is, snow cones. Y'all take care.